Good morning, students. As you know that we were reading chapter number 1, What's Your Dream? So today we are starting from page number 3. I don't remember. I said, I don't think I had a dream last night. So when the old man, the beggar, asked the boy that what is your dream, then the boy said that I don't remember कि मुझे याद नहीं है that which dream I saw the last night. That is not what I mean. Now the beggar is answering that I don't mean about the dream that you saw last night. You know, it is not what I mean. I can see you are a dreamer. I can see. It means I know that you are a dreamer. It's not the lychee season, but you sit in that tree all afternoon ड्रीमिंग कि अब लीची का सीज़न नहीं है बट स्टिल यू आर सिटिंग ऑन दिस ट्री वाई बिकॉज यू आर ड्रीमिंग अबाउट समथिंग नाउ द बॉय इज नाउ ऑल्सो नॉट जो लड़का है वो अब भी नहीं मान रहा है वॉट ही सेड आई जस्ट लाइक सिटिंग हियर मुझे यहाँ बैठना अच्छा लगता है आई सेड आई रिफ्यूज़ टू एडमिट दैट आई वॉज अ ड्रीमर रिफ्यूज्ड मीन्स say no. It means the boy doesn't agree that he is a dreamer. He says other boys did not dream, they had catapults. Now you know what is catapult? Catapult means बच्चों गुलेल. When we are young, then we play with the catapults. So a dream, my boy, is what you want most in life. So here the old man, the beggar is saying that my boy, a dream is what? Dream क्या है that you want most in life? Isn't there something that you want more than anything else? So now again the old man is trying to ask that कि आपके पास कुछ है ऐसा जो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी चाहिए? Yes, I said promptly. Promptly means on the at the spot immediately. तो उसी समय लड़के ने आंसर किया यस अ रूम ऑफ माई ऑन. अब वो लड़का बार बार मना कर रहा था ना पर अब वो मान गया. जब ओल्ड मैन ने पूछा कि क्या तुम्हें कुछ चाहिए सो ही सेड यस आई नीड अ रूम ऑफ माई ऑन कि मेरा खुद का रूम हो. आह अ रूम ऑफ योर ऑन ट्री ऑफ योर ऑन इट इज़ द सेम थिंग. So now the old man is saying that you want the room of your own, you want a tree of your own. It is the same thing. Not many people can have their own rooms. ज़्यादातर लोगों के अपने रूम नहीं हो सकते. You know, आप जानते हो, not in a land as crowded as ours. क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा क्राउड है ना इस धरती पर तो इसीलिए अपने रूम्स नहीं मिल पाते हैं. जस्ट अ स्मॉल रूम. तो वो लड़का बोल रहा है कि मुझे एक छोटा सा रूम चाहिए. एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ रूम डू यू लिव इन एट प्रेजेंट? नाउ द बेगर इज आस्किंग द बॉय दैट नाउ एट प्रेजेंट what kind of room you are living कि अब तुम्हारा रूम कैसा है at present. So move on the next page. Now the boy is answering, it's a big room, but I have to share it with my brothers and sisters and even my aunt when she visits. So the boy said that my room is big, but the problem is that I am sharing it with my brothers and sisters, and sometimes my aunt also comes there. Then she also lives with me. I see. What you really want is freedom. So now the old man is saying that the boy, what you really want, actually you want freedom. Your own tree, your own room, your own small place in the sun. It means the boy wants freedom. He wants to live alone. Yes, that's all. That's all. That is everything. When you have all that, you will have found your ड्रीम. तो वो बैगर बोल रहा है कि हाँ यही सब कुछ तो है. अगर तुम्हें ये सब कुछ मिल जाए तो तुम अपना ड्रीम ढूंढ सकते हो. सो स्टूडेंट्स टुडे टिल हियर वी विल रीड And in the next session, we will complete the chapter. Okay, thank you.